Professor, let me also ask you just two questions. The first one, Professor, is the integrity of the Kenyan passport. The Kenyan passport is said to be one of the easiest to forge. Criminals from our neighbors, our brothers from West Africa, and many others. As foreign minister, I encountered cases where there were nationals of Zambia, Guinea, Nigeria, all these countries, in jails, particularly in Asia, China, Thailand, where narcotic crimes are punished very heavily. And they are profiled and identified there as Kenyans because they have forged and are carrying Kenyan passports. What are you going to do as minister to enhance the integrity of our passport? Number two, in comparable jurisdictions, getting a passport is a right of every citizen. In fact, many countries like the UK, they don't have any other identification document other than the passport. In this country, getting a passport is an extremely tedious process. There are people who queue for up to